morning and welcome to another edition of Wake Up with SEO, where each week we brief you on the latest search engine changes you need to know. I'm hoping that we're live right now. Perfect. Okay, I think we are live. So good morning again. Welcome to Wake Up with SEO, where each week we brief you on the latest changes and news on search engines that you need to know. We want to thank you for tuning in, whether it's live right now or on the replay. It's always our goal to provide some education and transparency into the world of big tech and search engine algorithms. And this week, it's pretty exciting stuff coming from both LinkedIn and Amazon. If you find this content valuable or impactful to your business, whether you're an owner or an entrepreneur, please like, comment, or share this post. We want to engage with more of our audience in the community and at least put some of these tools in front of them during this time that can be hopefully impactful. So thank you again, and let's get started. So kicking us off today, Amazon rolled out with a product that has been in beta that is certainly something you want to pay attention to. It's called Amazon Posts, very similar to Google Posts, and it's a feed-based shopping experience. So comment below if you are selling products on Amazon, because this is something that you definitely want to take advantage of while it continues to stay free. Amazon continues to expand their portfolio and usually starts monetizing freebies like this as you start using them. So what this looks like is if you log on to the back end of your Amazon channel or feed as an advertiser, you're going to be able to create Amazon posts. These posts can show up on your own product detail pages or on a competitor. So if you are searching for sheets on Amazon and all of a sudden you see kind of that similar product field, this is a way for you for free as an advertiser, as a brand, to show up in more discoverable searches for people that are looking for similar products or services that you offer. So you certainly want to take advantage of this. Again, it's called Amazon Posts. If you have questions, let us know, but it's free for the time being. And again, Amazon likes to monetize things, so we encourage you to participate and take advantage of this and certainly beat your competitors to the punch, or else you're just going to start seeing your competitors' Amazon posts on your product detail page. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Let us know if you have any questions. Rolling into our second big update, LinkedIn is pulling back the curtain a little bit and sharing how they rank your LinkedIn content posts higher and more frequently in feeds of potential prospects or your own audience. So LinkedIn revealed that they take into consideration what they call viral actions. Viral actions are reacts, so whether you like, love, add a curious to a LinkedIn post, comment on a post, or share a post. They talk a little bit about upstream and downstream networks. So for instance, if you reshare a post, so if I post on LinkedIn and you reshare it, that means that connections of you, the user who reshared the post, will end up seeing the post in their feed. So even if I'm not connected with any of those connections that you are, because you shared the post, it's going to enable my content to show up higher in their feed. Commenting on a post, for example, will create an upstream effect. So that means that if I post something on LinkedIn, you don't share it, but you simply comment on it, it's going to show up higher for my audience. So you have kind of this ripple effect depending on how you as a user react, comment, or like posts on LinkedIn. Now, what's really interesting, and it's hard to keep up with algorithms, we're in SEO and can barely keep up, and this is our daily life. However, LinkedIn talked about dwell time. And we've known that dwell time, which means how long are you just, if I'm scrolling through, so say I get on LinkedIn right now, and I'm gonna show you, hopefully you can see my phone. Let me brighten it up a bit. Okay, so I'm on LinkedIn. Benjamin D. Friedman, you get a shout out because that's the first. Oh, no, Matrix integration, even better. So, Matrix integration shows up right now. See how I'm just reading their post? The longer that my feed just sits and I'm looking at Matrix integration's post, that's what's called dwell time. Facebook factored this into their algorithm. It's nothing new, but LinkedIn revealed that the longer you dwell on a post in the feed, the higher opportunity or the increased opportunity that post will show up in front of more audience. So LinkedIn is taking dwell time into consideration when showing your post to more users. So this is going to be different if I just, rather than just sit here on the post, say if I immediately like it and then just scroll, that's going to be taken into consideration on whether or not that post from Matrix integration shows up in front of more of an audience in the feed. So there's lots of viral actions that you can take on LinkedIn. So stick around to your favorite people and the people that you want to support a little longer on their posts, especially if you find it valuable, because that will be factored in on whether or not that post is going to go viral. So we hope that this is informative. As always, thank you for tuning in. We want to provide impactful ways for you to show up higher and more frequently in search results. And if you have any questions, please comment below or visit guardianowldigital.com and contact us for more information on how you can get higher in search results. So thank you, everybody. Have a great week. We appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you right back here at the Nest next Wednesday for another edition of Wake Up with SEO. Bye.